Hey, it's Gracie with WTI, and my mornings instantly got 10 times better ever since I bought this Cuisinart single-serve coffee maker for myself. So I chose this coffee maker over all the others because I wanted something where I could grind my coffee beans and brew my coffee all at the same time. So now every morning I get to enjoy a nice, hot, strong, and flavorful cup and start my day off right. So I'm the only one that drinks coffee in our house. That's why I wanted something that was single serve because I didn't want to have to wash a huge coffee pot every day. Plus, this is so easy to use. So all you do is just pour in your favorite coffee beans, grab the reusable filter cup from the side, press grind, and then take that filter cup and insert it into its holder. And then you can brew either 8, 10, or 12 ounces. And voila! My taste buds literally do a happy dance with every sip. And I like that the coffee beans stay nice and fresh in its hopper. My kitchen literally smells like a coffee shop every morning from the aroma of the freshly ground beans. I couldn't love this machine more. Plus, this reusable filter cup is great because not only does it help to keep the waste down, but I don't have to buy filters separately. But what's also really nice is that it's compatible with any brand of coffee pods as well, which was just an added bonus for me because I have so many pods left over from my previous coffee maker. So this coffee maker is just perfect for my lifestyle, plus it makes one heck of a cup of coffee, and that's my point of view.